All right, so in this video, I want to find the limit as x approaches to infinity for this equation over here. Now, since we have lns in this equation, we can't divide everything by the highest coefficient. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to do L'Hopital's rule. So I'm going to derive the top and the bottom separately. If I derive the top, I know I'm going to get 1 over this multiplied by the derivation of the inside by chain rule. So I'm going to start by just deriving the inside, which is 3k x squared plus 14x minus 12. And then I'll divide that by this thing, kx cubed plus 7x squared minus 12x plus 25. Then I'll divide this all by the derivation of the bottom, which is just the derivation of the inside divided by this whole thing. So that's just 6x squared minus 16x plus 1 over 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus x minus 10. The next thing I want to do is I want to just flip this fraction into a divide sign. So it's going to be 3kx squared plus 14x minus 12 over kx cubed plus 7x squared minus 12x plus 25 divided by 6x squared minus 16x plus 1 over 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus x minus 10. Then I want to flip the divide into a multiply. So I'll flip this fraction upside down. And then I want to multiply out these. Basically, we're thinking about foiling out these brackets, but since the FOIL steps will take so long, we only want to do it for the biggest terms, because honestly, the smaller terms are all going to disappear as x approaches infinity, because when you divide by x to the power of something, all the small ones become 0. So I'll only do the biggest terms on the top. 3k x squared times 2x cubed is 6 kx5, and on the bottom I have kx cubed times 6x squared, which is 6kx5 as well. Now there'll obviously be a bunch of other terms here. There's going to be like so many terms if we FOIL this out and combine like terms, but we, like I said, we don't really waste the time to do that, because all those rest of the terms are going to become 0 when we divide everything by x to the power of 5. So if I divide everything by x to the power of 5 now, which is our typical infinite questions with algebra, I just have 6k divided by 6k, because I divided both of these by x to the power of 5. And then I can sub in my limit of infinity, which basically makes the rest of the terms 0. And I'm just left with 6k divided by 6k, which is 1.